In 2019, Indian captain Virat Kohli said, "I want India to be a superpower in Test cricket." 2 years later, one can hardly argue about it. Before we begin, if you haven't already, subscribe to the Cricket News YouTube channel and click the bell icon for all the updates and in-depth cricket coverage. When Kohli took over as captain in 2015, India was 7th in Test rankings. That would change quickly though. Only one out of Kohli's first full 8 Test series in charge was played outside the subcontinent. 5 of them were played at home. India went on to win all 8 Test series, losing just 2 out of the 30 Test matches and beating New Zealand, Australia, England, South Africa, Sri Lanka and West Indies in the process. The 2018 tour to South Africa would be the biggest challenge for Virat Kohli's India up until then, and also the beginning of something special. Before that tour, the Indian team had piled lots and lots of runs, and Ashwin and Jadeja had done the trick with the ball. The spin duo took a total of 300 Test wickets from August 2015 to December 2017, 122 more than the 7 fast bowlers who played Test cricket for India in that timeline. But with the debut of Jasprit Bumrah in that series in South Africa, India would soon possess a pace attack like no other. Keeping the recent India vs England series as an exception, since January 2018, the Indian pacers have had a higher share in wickets at home than spinners. Bowling the opposition out has been a healthy habit for the Indian bowling attack. In fact, India have taken 585 out of the 640 possible Test wickets in the 32 matches that they have played in the last 3 years. The quartet of Ishant Sharma, Mohammad Shami, Jasprit Bumrah and Umesh Yadav has led from the front, having more than 50% of share in this tally. While Mohammad Siraj, who was India's leading wicket taker in the Test series in Australia, has been a delightful new addition. India's batting has also evolved and become more balanced in this time period. Apart from Virat Kohli, Cheteshwar Pujara and Ajinkya Rahane, who have been India's top 3 run scorers in Test cricket since January 2015, the opening pair of Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill have solidified the top order. Between them, they have 5 50s and a century in the 6 Test matches that they have opened together. Add to this the ever so fierce Ravindra Jadeja with the bat, the recent resurgence of Ravichandran Ashwin the batsman, a classy number 7 in Washington Sundar, and the introduction of the binary maniac in Test cricket in Rishabh Pant, and you get as good a batting lineup as one can ask for. And with that, we come to the one big factor that has made Team India a lethal force in Test cricket: the new heroes. Be it the historic triumph down under or the comeback at home against England, no or a little experience for India's youngest heroes in Test cricket has barely put them down. As Cricket News' Sandipan Banerjee had written, for cricket's new India, hazards are not stop signs, they are guidelines, which resonates highly with their captain's wish to make his team a Test cricket superpower.